Hi, friend. Today we're learning the letter O. O is for octopus.
O is for owl.
O is for orange.
O is for onion.
Let's write big O. Start at the top, make a big round circle, and back to the top. Now let's write small o. Start in the middle, small round circle, back to the start.
It's like you're painting a wheel for a bicycle, but don't make it square.
Start in the middle, small round circle, back to the start.
We're so proud of you. You did great. Write the letter a few more times and you'll remember it for sure.
Link to the coloring page and worksheets under this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to see the next letter.
And hit that like button.
See you next time, friend. Big fluffy hugs from us.